Hello and welcome back to the channel. Richard back with another unboxing video, and today it's the new 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray limited edition Steelbook set of Elf. So just arrived now, just in time for Christmas, so let's get this one opened up. So this is the Ultimate Collector's Edition. Might as well start with the back. And show you what's involved in this set. So we've got the Steelbook, rigid slipcase, double-sided poster, postcard, 2 art cards, storybook art card, and 3 character art cards. So quite a lot of art cards, basically. There's a look at the special features, and there's a look at the 4K. It's got a DTS HD Master Audio 5.1 English track, and the Blu-ray is Dolby Digital 5.1. It's 97 minutes long. It's in the 1.85 to 1 aspect ratio, and there's no Dolby Vision and there's no HDR10 Plus as listed. Okay, it is numbered. And this is number 281 out of just 2,000. And now onto the front. So it's a nice matte finish with a clear window in the middle. And we got some spot gloss going on for the snowflakes, and also the title with James Caan's name underneath. Hopefully we'll have a look at that when I get the J-slip off. So that's a look at the front. And on the spine we've got some spot gloss, and the BBFC and Irish board certificates are stickers. They can be removed, and the same on the front as well. That's removable and that's removable. It does feel a little bit damp because Amazon's left the package outside in the rain, so it's a little bit wet. Okay, trying to take that off without damaging the back. There's been a few experiences with other slipcases. And this one's not going to want to come. Okay. So Will Ferrell's name is in spot gloss, and James Caan as well, as you can see there. Okay, what is this front? Okay, so we got some Velcro here, and this opens up as such. So you've got this behind, which is all a matte finish, and this is your window. Okay, let's slide the Steelbook out, and let's show you the inside first. It is a good rigid outer slip case, this one. Very strange that we've got a bit of card on the back. Ah, right, okay. So it's a normal outer slip case, and then we've got this cardboard stuck on the back, which wraps around the side, and it opens up at the front. So that's how they've done it. Okay, this doesn't slide out. No, so it is fixed. Okay, onto the Steelbook. Okay, this looks nice. I don't think there was anything given away for the Steelbook on the back of the J-slip. So, okay, so we've got some spot gloss going on here, and we've got some clear zero finishing going on for the snowflakes. And Elf is written in spot gloss as well. And we've got some zero finishing going on for the shadow at the bottom. Yeah, it's quite nice. There's a look at the spine. And the back has got maple syrup. Okay, zooming out, let's have a look at the wraparound. Yeah, it works. It's not too independent images, it does carry through the spine. It's close enough. Okay, inside we've got Will Ferrell, obviously Buddy, on the left. The 4K disc is in red. Okay, just looking at the finish on the disc. Caught my eye. Which isn't there on the Blu-ray. That's finished a little bit differently. And there's all of the internal art. Okay, the Blu-ray is 50 gig. And the 4K is a dual layer 66 gig. Yeah. Okay, onto the envelope. Matte finished envelope with spot gloss Elf and snowflakes and sugar canes. So inside we've got these cards which are super glossy. He's a little bit overexcited, isn't he? And it's a matte finish on the back. No, it isn't. It's super glossed as well, so it's glossed both sides. And that one's got nothing on the back. Okay, and then we get a foil card as well. Postcard. And finally, don't think there's anything else. Finally, a poster. So we got this artistic poster on one side. And we got the traditional on the back. So that is basically everything that you get in this Ultimate Collector's Edition. Be good to hear from you in the comments if you're a fan of this film. Is it a good Christmas movie for you? And are you going to be picking up this edition, or are you happy with the 4K standard edition that came out last year? Again, it's good to read your comments. Thanks for watching the video. Please give us a like. Helps the channel out a lot. And I'll see you again soon. And if you don't see another video, I wish you all a Merry Christmas. But hopefully I'll be back with a few more videos yet before Christmas. But again, thanks for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.